how to set read caller's name aloud our Bluetooth and headphone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on phone app. Now here, so click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in call settings, scroll down and click on answering and ending calls. So after click on answering and ending calls, so click on read caller name aloud. So after click on read caller name aloud, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, so if you want to set read caller name aloud our Bluetooth and headphone, so click on our Bluetooth and headphone only. So click on our Bluetooth and headphone only. So after click on this feature, so after click on this option, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set read color name aloud our Bluetooth and headphone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.